Hello everyone, welcome to another video from the Learnix Center. Why I'm recording a video on Sunday evening? Well, just wanted to share my thoughts on balancing your life, your personal life and work. I just had a very interesting conversation with an Uber driver, a guy who works for 16 hours every day, driving his car, giving rides to people, and that's how he makes a living at the moment. And he was unhappy about his work and life balance, and he wants to change his career. He wants to do something more with his life. And we got into talking, and I told him about the possibility of becoming a software tester, quality assurance analyst. I explained to him that in 4 short months he can become a software professional, software testing professional, attending classes 2 times a week in the evening for 3 hours only, and in 4 months he can get another job in the office, and it will be just 8 hours a day as opposed to 16, and he would make much more money for his family, and overall his balance, the balance of his work and his life might be much better, and he may like it a lot more, and I'm sure his family would love that. So if you are the one who is struggling with the work and life balance, and trying to make the ends met and everything, so this is one of the possibilities. I'm sure we can help you. So that's what we do at the Learning Center. We have people from all walks of life who are coming to us, and we're helping them to change the career, to get a much better career, and balance work and life better. By the way, I read in the Forbes magazine that they did a sociological research, and they found out that software testers in the United States is the #1 happiest occupation. So, well, I think we can give it a chance, we can give it a try. So call us, contact us, and we'll be happy to sit down with you and evaluate your situation and see how we can help you personally. So hope to see you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.